What up, Mr. Hip Hop Vegan, coming with another video. And today is still Minimalist Fridays. And everything's going great so far. I still sold a couple more sneakers. I still got like 40 more pairs of sneakers to sell to put online on Sunday. I was doing my research on eBay auctions, and they said the best day to do is on Sundays between like 6 p.m. and 10 p.m. because that's when people are home Eastern Standard Time and Western Standard Time. So in between there is 6 and 10. I do like around 9 p.m. So that's what, like around 6 p.m. on the West Coast. So vice versa. You understand where I'm coming from. But everything's going great. And the topic what I wanted to talk about today is I think the topic of not needing something brings everything. So what I'm trying to say by that is the less that I need, the less that in my mind I'm thinking about I'm getting rid of everything, the more joy I have, the more happiness I have, to tell you the truth. And not having to chase for materialistic things, I'm catching myself being happier. I'm not chasing anybody. I'm just worrying about myself, about what I have to do, and just chasing things is not really bothering me like it used to a couple years ago. And I know that's a subject that anybody can relate to. And to me, the extraordinary aspect of this minimalist thing is that the more I give away, the less I need, the more joy is coming to me. And I'm pretty sure, more things will come to me, but the more happiness I feel, the more I want to go do stuff. I'm not worrying about things that never happened, that your brain would think of. But it's been great. I mean, just being able to know that you spend so much money on sneakers, materialistic things, and you're just able just to, I'm just going to give it away. I'm not even going to sell it. I'm just going to give it away. I know my nephews are happy because they're getting sneakers. I know other people are happy. So I guess the joy of making other people happy is what's bringing me the joy back, in my opinion. You get what you receive. You get you give what you get. So me giving, and having that joy, I'm receiving that joy, that happiness right back, and I'm very excited about that. And I can't wait until this whole room is predominantly empty and not having all this clutter and all this clutter over here. And so far, not having the shoe rack is making me happy. I put all my shoes up in the closet because I can see what I can give away now. If I was stuck there, I might just leave it in the storage and stuff like that. Saturday and Sunday, I'm gonna go pick up my books in storage, so I don't have to worry about that stuff. And I'm just going through the process, little by little. Hopefully by a year from now, everything will be gone. I'll have a couple of things left, and that's it. And be totally happy. So that's gonna be my quick video today. Just wanted to make a quick video about what I'm feeling about giving, and that's the best feeling in the world. Hopefully everybody's doing great. Thank you for watching my videos, and always be giving. Peace.